Alright, if you're wondering what happened that I didn't upload yesterday, I gotta tell you, I did upload yesterday, but YouTube messed up my video. At first, they blocked my video in all countries, like worldwide. And then after a few hours, they released the video, and after a couple of minutes, they blocked it again in some of the major countries that my audience is mostly from those places, from those countries. Anyways, please do not forget to subscribe for daily fantastic reaction videos. Let's go right now. Can you stand the rain? Whose song is this?
On a perfect day, I know that I can count on you. Yeah. When that's not possible, tell me from sure. Tell me, can you weather the storm?
Adam's teamwork.
Stand by me through the good times and the bad times. She will always be right there. Everybody loves him. Tell me, baby, can you?
Team Adam, yeah.
So, tell me, baby, can you stand the rain?
They're killing it, aren't they? What do you think?
Should know I'm not asking just of you. But I need somebody who will stand by me.
Oh, absolutely. Kelly said they were good. Adam said, I know. I said, absolutely.
Be right there for me. Oh, sunny days. Everybody loves him. Tell me that, can you stand the rain?
YouTube, please do not block my video. Please.
Yes, it will. This we know for sure. This we know for sure. Can you stand the rain?
Jennifer Hudson is very excited about this performance. Come on now. Adam, you've got a very challenging task right there. He has to pick one of these guys as the winner, which is
That's what we hope for in these battle rounds, is two incredible vocalists making great music, but also laying it all out on the line at the same time. Congratulations.
right. Exactly.
I want to be sure I say Funsho.
Funsho?
Funsho. Okay.
Not like The Voice. The Voice is a fun show.
Funsho. This is Funsho.
He's
Okay.
Foon Show.
I gotta say, you stood up and went toe-to-toe with this guy, and it was incredible. And your voice is unique, and it cuts through, and it's just powerful. And you too. I don't mean to say this stuff.
Thank you.
You're supposed to be, damn it. You're a four-chair turn.
Well, he was a three-chair.
Four chair.
He
Hold
was
on.
a three-chair. You were the one that didn't turn
Hey,
around.
oh yeah, you guys will get a chance to talk.
DeAndre, you sang the hell out of that song. Okay?
That's right. Facts.
I could tell you've done your homework. Funsho, you felt like a piece of New Edition to me, y'all.
Yeah.
I was in it, like, y'all better take me back.
Oh, I'm so sad I don't have a steal.
Oh, me too.
Oh.
Yeah, it's too late.
DeAndre, I've never really heard people do runs like that. Like, is it over? Oh my God, I'm still on the ride. Like, I have my hands up. He's got the hardest decision here.
I know,
And if
I
had to
told you,
pick
right?
One, I guess I'd go with Texas. I guess I'd go with DeAndre.
Thank you, coaches. Adam, you got the final decision.
Adam.
Give us some thoughts before you
Wow.
tell us who won.
My dudes, look what we did. Look how much we impressed these guys. You guys really stepped up, and it seems like you've become friends. That's what makes the best music. And look, we made one of the best battle rounds of this season.
Right. You sure did.
I consider you guys both to be equals. I don't think that there's a fair way to judge this.
Exactly.
I'm not from Texas, so I can't use that as an excuse. I'm not from Nigeria either, so I can't make that as an excuse.
Adam, who's the winner of this battle?
Guys, this is gonna be
Winner of this
brutal. Because they're both good.
It's DeAndre.
Oh!
DeAndre Nico's moving on to the knockouts. Congratulations.
Is approaching Adam? Yeah. Guys, what do you think? Let me know. Let me know what you think about this pick. Bro, I can't not express enough how much confidence is important when it comes to performing arts. Not just performing arts, you know, confidence is important in life in general.